Hi, I will show about my managed product. I add this new product in the list, and now I will modify. I will change some information to check in the database. So I will check here and will refresh, and the product is here. Okay, I will delete now. Once successfully deleted, and I will refresh again. And now the product was deleted. So my biggest problem is here. I tried to test for hours, test waking up the accounts. The answer always is sorry, your update failed. So as I said before, I cannot fix it. So if you can fix it, you can help me to see where is the error. I will push it. I try to do all my enhancement, but I can't get it in this time.